How to connect mobile devices to TV Bluetooth speakers on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to network. Here in network, go to Bluetooth. And Bluetooth, you can see here the TV Bluetooth speaker. Now you can connect mobile devices to TV Bluetooth speaker. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to this and on your mobile phone, okay guys, go to settings and go to Bluetooth. And Bluetooth, okay, find the Smart TV. And after you find the Smart TV, okay, tap this and automatically pairing to TV the mobile devices. Okay, so we have successfully connected this mobile device to TV Bluetooth speaker. Now you can play the music and the speaker of the TV is used to output the sounds. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully connect the mobile devices to TV Bluetooth speaker.